Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about something a lot of you really haven't done. You may have heard it talked about on streams. You may have, mentioned it yourself, but that's shopping thrift stores, going out and checking them out and seeing what you can pick up there for pennies on the dollar for something that you really don't need to have a brand new, never been used before item, or a used one is just as good. All right. So think about it. Do you want to save money? Do you want to have more money to spend on other preps? Go to your thrift shop, see what you can find there. You'd be surprised. Some thrift shops even have a specific camping section. Also, some of the bigger stores, REI and stuff, have a used section as well, where you can pick up stuff that is, still has the REI guarantee or the Cabela's guarantee or whatever, that you can get used and it'll work just as good as new for you. All right. So this is a short one. Just to remind you, get out there and shop wisely and smart. All right. So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. Keep on adding to your preps as cheaply as possible because, well, this is why.